Hello, my name is Karen Smith and I'm the owner and one of the electricians at Bright Spark Electrical Services. We service an area around about a 25-mile radius of Tunbridge and Tunbridge Wells, going down towards Uxfield, Crowborough, up to Sevenoaks, Westerham, Braisted, Barrow Green, Edenbridge. We cover all those areas. Today's video is about kitchen rewires. What does it entail? It could mean we're putting in new sockets in various cupboards, above worktops, behind units to feed things like an oven, integrated fridge, integrated freezers. Above the countertops we're putting numerous sockets, some including USB outlets. You want to charge your phone, don't you? Also, we're putting in new lighting. Now, we can either cut through the ceilings, lots of holes, and get the cables across. But one of the more effective ways is to get the whole ceiling removed. It exposes the pipework and the cables there already, so we can utilise some of the cables. The pipework is for the plumbers, the gas fitters and everything else like that, but at least we know not to drill or cut into those areas. Running the cables out to all the various lighting fixtures you're going to have in the ceiling, whether it's downlights or pendants. You may be wanting other lights on walls, so we've got to get the lighting cables from the new light switch all the way up to the ceiling, across and to those areas. Take a look through this video. It shows you from a bare room the various cables which are enclosed in various sorts of trunking, whether it's this sort of trunking or this capping, protecting the cables and running it through the walls. Sometimes we fill in the holes, other times we just hold the tubing in, and then as you're having the ceiling rebuilt, re-skimmed, you'll have the walls replastered. Not a great deal more, and it's a hell of a lot quicker for us, so cost is kept down. When we're doing the downlights, we're measuring as well. So we've measured the kitchen, we've measured where the cables are coming out, we've taken copious amounts of photographs. So majority of the time we're within inches of finding where that cable is when we're putting a downlight in. Thank you for watching, and hope you're better informed of how we are covering and installing electrics for kitchens. Thank you for watching. I trust that the video has been of help to you and will be of further interest. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to our YouTube video channel and hit that notification bell to keep updated with more videos which we release.